So, why should you be using Instagram? Let's have a look at the Instagram business website to help you answer that question. So, why Instagram? People come to Instagram to be inspired and to discover things that they care about, which includes content from brands and businesses. There's over 15 million business profiles worldwide on Instagram and over 1 million advertisers worldwide that use Instagram to share their stories and drive business results. 60% of people say that they discover new products on Instagram, so it's a great place to promote your products. And 75% of Instagrammers say that they take an action after being inspired by a post. And that could be an action of purchasing a product or just subscribing to a YouTube channel. But as you can see, an action is an action. There is an 80% increase in time spent watching a video on Instagram, and a third of the most viewed stories are from businesses. So that shows that businesses and brands are perfect to join Instagram. Of course, starting your Instagram account is quick and easy. We're not going to go over that. And you can get recognized as a business through here, make your business account easily, and creating your account. And it's all simple on this website for you to follow. So this is just a quick video saying why you should be using Instagram and a quick few figures which I've just been talking about with you, just to prove that Instagram is perfect for you, your brand, your personal brand, your professional brand, your business, your products, your services, and everything you want to put on Instagram is perfect, okay? There's loads and loads of people on here, over 15 million business profiles alone, so that just goes to show there's going to be hundreds and hundreds of millions of personal profiles that will be finding your business profile and following you and purchasing your products through Instagram. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed it, but I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.